RoboHelp 11 has new responsive layout out of the box. This brief demonstration will take a look at how a simple default project created from scratch can instantly be rendered in different ways using responsive layout. Notice that the project in front of us has got tables, a simple heading, and some text. Let's start out by previewing it through responsive layout via Google. Our simple sample project needs to be regenerated, so we will say yes. And in a few seconds, we have a dynamic preview of our content in Google. Notice that in our initial view of our content in Google, that the display is very similar to a laptop. Notice that the table spans the entire screen. Also notice the right-hand column where all of the navigation icons occur. Let's resize the Google screen to about the size of an iPad and see what happens. Notice that the table has become more narrow with the reduced width of our tablet-sized display, and also notice that all of the navigation icons have automatically moved down to the bottom of the screen as they would appear on a tablet. Let's resize our Google window to about the width of an iPhone and see what happens. As you can see, that again the table got smaller, and also notice that the navigation icons went to the bottom of the screen. After a few mouse clicks, we have invoked the new layout editor for responsive layout, and we're going to use the save and preview function to see how the output would look in specific devices. We're actually going to select both an iPad and an iPhone, and we will actually get the correct number of pixels. Watch what happens next. Here, our layout editor gives us an accurate view of iPad display. Notice that the content is generic and is not the exact content of my project. You'll notice that Latin text is dropped in, and it also says topic 1 instead of my headline. Finally, we ask our layout editor to display an approximation of the iPhone. Once again, notice that we're getting the correct number of pixel width and pixel height, and again, we have our generic layout. This shows you just how easy it is to invoke responsive layout in RoboHelp, and notice that you get the basic same look and feel for all of your devices, although your content will automatically adapt itself to the correct screen size. All of this is done out of the box with no effort on your part.